Hi everybody, this is the time again that many of you will hear something good from me and some of my opinions about it, and also a little bit suggestion for you, and I think it's good for you, for the people. Maybe you are a student, or maybe you are a teacher, or maybe you are a government. It doesn't matter, whatever your profession is, I guarantee this is good for you. So let's take a listen, okay? Well, before we start, there is something that you have to know, that I will not use the root words in this video, okay? Well, this is about my brothers and my sisters, exactly for Indonesian students who were taking an action as revolutionaries. Viva la revolution! Well, I've been taking a look of them that they were revolting against a system and the policies of Indonesian Legislative Assembly, DPR. They said it was wrong. They thought that the policies that Indonesian Legislative Assembly made was not accurate and fit to be applied in the society. One of the students said, it is not fair because the policies just give the advantage for the people at the very top, but not for the society. So that's the reason why Indonesian students revolted against the policies. So they wanted the policies are going to be fixed. So another interesting thing that happened at that time is when Indonesian students perceived that Indonesian Legislative Assembly doesn't serve the community well. This is so crazy thing. Well, it started when Indonesian students sent a letter to Indonesian Legislative Assembly, but they didn't reply it. Well, I didn't know what the reason was why Indonesian Legislative Assembly didn't reply the letter of Indonesian students. But one of the students said to Indonesian Legislative Assembly, I have sent you a letter, but you didn't reply it. And now we won't believe in the traitors of the society. A bit controversy happened at that time. So the reality is, the students, the Indonesian students, they didn't want their society to be led by wrong persons or untrusted people. So that's it. That's the point. So now pay close attention. To me, in my opinion, we as a student, we as a teacher, we as a leader, and especially we as a nationalist, better be honest, better be responsible of our duties. What I mean is, please don't make any violations in our country. And then for us, and for the people at the very top, please don't make any disfigurements between us. Yes, between you and me, between you and the society, between the society and the people at the very top. Please don't make it. We do not need those disfigurements, right? We just need the prosperity. So be aware that we are a unitary. And don't disunite our unitary. Please. So that's it. Okay, that's what I want to convey to you. I'm sorry if there was any words of me that hurt you. If there seems to be a mistake, I'm sorry again. I'm a human being. Okay. And now let me thank you for coming, for watching, for the participations. I really appreciate your visit. See you the next time.